daawwattoota chaanalii akkoo English with Afaan Oromoo akkam nagartu baga jiraattan guyyaa hadhaa barumsa bifa haarawaatiin walitti deebinee jirra. Guyyaa hadhaa kana keessatti wanti nuti barannu yoo jiraate is what? It's about everyday expression barannaa jechuudha. Okay? Everyday expression keenya dhaqetti expression shan yookaan immoo ja'a barannaa. hanga ጥምረት ነው ጂናክቱታን ከበጃን ሲንጋፋ ዳውት ይያ
ሰላም ውድ ተመልካቾቻችን ይህ አኮ ስኩል ኦፍ አሜሪካን እንግሊሽ ትሬኒንግ ሴንተር የተሰኘው የዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ነው። ዛሬ ለየት ባለው መልኩ ክፍል 3ን በምንድን ነው የመጣ ነው? ኤቭሪዴይ ኦር ዴይሊ ኤክስፕሬሽን ብለን መጠራት እንችላለን። ሁሉ ቀን በየቀኑ የምንጠቀማቸውን ቃላቶች አሊያም የምንጠቀማቸውን ወርዶችን እንዴት እንደምንጠቀምና ምን ብለን አሁን ለምሳሌ በአንድ አማርኛ አገላለጽ ምትክ በእንግሊዝኛ ምን አድርገን መጠቀም እንችላለን የሚለውን ይዘን ቀርበናል። እንድትከታተሉን በአክብሮት እንጋብዛለን።
Alright, the first one say that expression jalqaba maayda. Afaan Ingiliffaatiin nama tokkoon maal taate gaafa jechuun albaadde wama gaarii laa ta'uutii badaan laa ta'uutii walumaa galatti maal taate gaafa jechuun albaadde maal ta'an how you gonna say in English? Mee Ingiliffaan mee akkam jenna?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? Okay, I think the first one is better. Okay, qabaasuun baay'ee bareeda. You can say what's wrong with you? Okay, what are you doing? Jechuun maal dalagaa hartaadha. What are you doing? Okay, maal dalagaa hartaadha. Kun ammoo maal itti gaafadhe maal taate. Kan say maal taate jechuun maadha? What's wrong with you? Can say what's wrong with you guys? Yookaan ammoo you can say what happened to you? What happened to you? Guys, what's wrong with you? Okay, expression lamaffaan fakkeenyaaf yaa'uun beekama. Wanti kun siif beekamaadha. Nama biraatiif wanta wayii haaraa. Okay, wanti kun maali? wanti kuni maali gaafa churban afaan Ingiliffaatiin maali wanti kuni maali
yeah, it's obviously what is this
yeah, what is this yeah, you're right actually. Can say what is this. Okay, kuni maali ni what is this when is maali churbado when is
what is that?
What is that? Exactly. What is that? We can say what is that? Okay? May vacancy na gafu. What is this? Ate tamire? Okay. Kuni biri na jedhe.
This is pain. This is pain.
This is a pain.
Pain. A pain.
This is a pain. Okay? This is a pain. Okay, what is that? That's
a mirror.
Yeah, that's a mirror.
That's a mirror.
That's a mirror. Right? That's a mirror. Okay, that's a mirror. Okay, suni zati this is kun one tarka kapdo iti zati one sirafa go jiro. All right. Expression ke ne sadafa maida esalfte. Especially by yourself parak to ayo ne woni bayin ni bekani beko qabani le ba jiro chu. Okay? Kana fiu esalfte. Gafe churban maina.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes.
Exactly right. Where are you from? See, where are you from? Where are you from?
Where do you come from?
Where do you come from? Nice you are. Especially lameni kun martu lameni suriya. Fakkeenya namni tokko where do you come from mosin jedhe. See, deebiin kee maal ta'uu qaba. Fakkeenyaaf where do you awwala where are you from mosin jedhe deebii kee naa deessu. Where are you from?
Or can say where I'm from Balirobe.
I'm from Balirobe. Exactly right. You see, namoonni baay'een yooti where are you from etun I come from si deebisan. Maaliif ennaan I come from keetu jechuu dandeettu yoo where do you come from yoo itti gaafte jechuudha.
Okay.
You see, fakkeenyaaf amma where do you come from yoo ittiin deebiin kee maal ta'uu qaba? I come from ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Gadi maal deebisa I came jedhee deebisa jechuudha. I came jedhamu. Okay, I come tense simple present waan jedhamu deebuu qaba. I come from jedhama malee I came from dhufee something achi dhufa yookaan immoo achi dhufaa jira akka jedhamu jechuudha. I come from. Right? So we can say where are you from or you can say where do you come from. Deebin isaa I come from or you can say I'm from inni deebina jechuudha. Alright. Expression inni sadaffaa yookaan immoo inni afuraffaa yeroo baay'ee itti fayyadamu. Okay? Kan maybe nam tokko guyyatti yeroo lama sadi yookaan immoo xiqqaate minimum tokkoon gaafataa jechuudha. Okay, kunis maalidha? Wanti wayii hangam gaafachuu barbaada. Okay, meeqa? You see? Injiroonni kana ammaan bitoo hin deettaa. Namoonni yoo atillee gaafatee dhabaatu namoonni biras ni gaafatan jedhee yaada waan ta'eef kanaaf wanti tokko hangam gatiin isaa hagam gaafachuu barbaada maannaan. How do you say in English?
How much is it? How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is cost?
How much is cost? Okay. Sounds great kata jechuudha. Ka baay'ee namatti tolu. Kana baay'ee namoonni baay'eenis beekan jechuudha. Maalidha? How much is it? Okay, how much cost le rakkoon qabuuti, but mostly we're going to use how much is it. Okay, how much is it? Okay, wanti kun gatiin isaa meeqa jechuudha. Hangam jechuudha. How much is it? Right? How much is it? How much is it? Right, all right. Thank you. Kaitanu expression salphaadha. Yeroo meeqa? Yeroo meeqa?
What time is it now? What time is it now? It's my opinion.
Yeah.
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
Yeah, what time is it now?
What time is it now? Oh, sorry. What time is it now? Okay, sorry, rakkoon qabu. Yeah, sorry, they will say. Mostly we're going to say that. What time is it? What time is it? Yeroo meeqa. What time is it? Okay? What time is it?
Okay.
What time is it? Okay, for instance, what time is it right now?
10 past 8.
10 past 8.
Yes.
Sure?
Yep.
Oh, 10 past 8. Is it just local time or foreign time?
Foreign time.
Foreign time.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 past 8. That's great. So its time is so what time is it now? What time is it? The last but not the least expression in it mal jedha. Mal jechuu barbaadeti. Mal jechuu barbaadeti.
What do you mean? I think so. What do you mean?
What do you mean? Jajjabaate bakka. Daaltu kiyya barsiisuun kariiman isir beesirte kan say what do you mean, right? What do you mean?
Yes.
Okay, what do you mean by that, right? Mal jechuu barbaadeti. What do you mean? Akkam? What do you mean? Mal jechuu barbaadeti. What do you mean? Right?
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean by that? Mal jechuu barbaadeti. Akka jechuu barbaadeti.
Can you explain it, please?
Yeah. What do you mean by that? Can you explain, please?
Can you tell me in detail, please?
Yeah, you can say. Mal jechuu barbaadeti. Just I mean that. Just I got wife. That's it. What? What do you mean? Just I got just a boyfriend. What? What do you mean? Just I gotta go America. What? How? When? Can say, what do you mean? Okay? Yeah. I gotta divorce my wife. What? What do you mean? Yeah. I want to divorce my wife.
Oh.
That's it. I decided.
Let God no say.
Let God no say. Okay. Daawwattoota channel Akoo English with Afaan Oromoo guyyaadhaa expression qabanis expression hanga ammaan wajjin dhaggeeffataa turtan kana fakkaata. Yeroo taanu expression bifa kana fakkaatuun hanga walitti deemnutti nagaan naa turaachuun yeroo hundayyuu dhaamsa kiyya channel kiyya akkuma biraan subscribe like share kan kabajaasin dhaha.
ውድ ተመልካቾቻችን ፕሮግራማችን እንደተከታተላችሁት ነበር። አንዴ ሪቪው ለማድረግ የያዝነው ፖይንት 5 ፖይንት ነው። አንደኛው what's wrong with you ችግር አለ እንደማለት ነው። ምንድነው ችግር? አዎ እንደማለት ነው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ what is this የያዝነው ነገር እጃችን ላይ ያለ ነገር ምንድነው ይሄ ነገር ብለን አንስተን የሆነ ነገር እንደዚህ አሁን ለመጠየቅ ምንድነው ይሄ ነገር ብለን የምንጠይቅ ነው። የሆነ ከኛ ሩቅ ያለ ነገር ለመጠየቅ ደግሞ what is that ብለን ነው የምንጠይቀው። what is that in clear way what is that ይባላል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛው ደግሞ how much is it የሆነ ነገር ለመግዛት ፈልገን እጃችን ላይ ያለውን ነገር ካነሳ ነው በኋላ ስንት ነው ይሄ ነገር ብለን ነው የምንጠይቀው። how much is this ለማለት ደግሞ መሬት ላይ ያለውን ነገር ቁጭ ያለውን ነገር ይሄ ነገር ስንት ነው ብለን በእጃችን በጣታችን ያመላከትን የምንጠይቀው ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው ማለት ነው። አራተኛው ደግሞ where are you from ከየት ነው የመጣኸው አንተ? አንተ ከየት ነው የመጣው ብለን መምጫ ቦታውን አለም ደግሞ ሀገሩን የምንጠይቅበት መንገድ ነው ማለት ነው። የመጨረሻው ደግሞ what time is it now? አሁን ላይ ስንት ሰዓት ነው? what time is it now please teacher?
Okay, now the time is 8:15.
Oh,
it's 8:15.
እንደዚህ ብለን የምንጠይቅበት የምንመላለስበት ቆንጆ የዴይሊ ኤክስፕሬሽን መንገዶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። እንደተከታተላችሁን ነበር ፕሮግራማችን። ስለተከታተላችሁን በጣም አድርገን ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። እንወዳችኋለን።
አኩም ዱራኒ ቻናሊ ኬኛ ሰብስክራይብ አጎተን አስማሲን ጋበቻ አከሱም ሰሙ በነሞኒ ቃመን ድፍተኒ አፋን እንግሊፋ በረቹ ወርባደን ናኖ ጀሞ ላማ የኮን ጀሞ ሁለቲ ድፍተኒ ገሞ ጂፋር የኮን ገሞ ዱራን ራይዳን ቤከም ከኒሮማ ጂፋሪን ቤከም ድፍተኒ ገሙ ሰደፈረት የኮንሞ ፍሎሪ ሰደፈረት ድፍተኒ በረቹን እንደተኒ የሮ ሁንደዩ ምን በመሳከ እንበናዳ አፍራ ከነቹዳ እንግሊፋ ሀበረን ነው ታሴ ከናንተ የሚጠበቀው ሁለት ነገር ብቻ ነው። ይሄን ቪዲዮአችንን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር በማድረግ ቤተሰብ በመሆን ቁጭ ካላችሁበት ሳትለፉ ሳትሄዱ ወዴትም ፀሐይ ታክሲ ሳይኖር ሰብስክራይብ እና ላይክ ሼር በማድረግ ብቻ እንግሊዝኛ በቀላል መንገድ መማር ሲሆን፣ ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ጀሞ 3 በሚገኘው በጅፋር ገሞ 2 ነው።
ጀሞ 2 ነው 3
2 ነው።
በጀሞ 2 በሚገኘው ትምህርት ቤታችን በመምጣት መማር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለተከታተላችሁን እጅግ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። መልካም ጊዜ